Hi, this is a Spencer the Lifer video, and we will be going on a fire truck. If any of y'all know what that is, I bet y'all do. I'm in some pretty tall grass right now. It's my stepfather's fire truck, and I'm about to go on it and check it out. I asked for permission. It's his fire truck that he bought. He's never been a fireman, but he just bought it. This may have happened to one of your stepfathers or anybody in your family, but he ain't a fireman. So I'm gonna have to get up on this fire truck. I may be too short. I'm about to find out. Alright. Okay. Now we are on top of the fire truck. Or about to be. Alright. We're on top of the fire truck. See? Inside of there. That's inside the hoses. On the sides. That's our fire truck. I forgot to show you right here. Yeah. My stepfather, I'd say, is pretty rich. If he could own a fire truck and don't work for the fire department. Yeah, I think he bought it somewhere in the 1980s, I think. Because it looks pretty old. To me, it does. If you were born in the 80s, that make you around in this year about 40. Yeah, this fire truck's old. Wood's about rotten. Okay. See y'all Lifer fans? Make sure to subscribe and be a Lifer fan. I need to get as many views as I can. I want subscribers, some likes, no thumbs downs, no bad comments, good comments. Subscribe, like, you're a Lifer fan. You give a bad comment or a thumbs down, you're not a Lifer fan. See y'all Lifer fans, and enjoy next time. And remember, do not litter. Bye.